Howling Cow brand ice cream starts out here. One person, alone, in the middle of the night. Milk is the basic ingredient in ice cream. Part of Jeff's job is to pick up raw milk at the farm and deliver it to the processing plant. From this point, Jeff and the entire production team are on a deadline. The milk must be processed as quickly as possible. If there are delays, it could mean dumping the milk. While the raw milk is pumped into the plant, Jeff loads cartons of processed milk into a truck. He'll spend the remainder of his 10-hour shift making deliveries. It takes about 90 minutes to start the plant. Tyler readies the milk processing system. Steven prepares the complex packaging equipment. Today, the team will process the mix that is used to make ice cream, along with packaging skim, low-fat, whole, and chocolate milk. Tyler uses controls to direct an intricate set of pumps and valves that move the raw milk through the processing equipment. Multiple tanks are now simultaneously filling with different milk products. Tyler must watch the level in each tank so he gets the right quantity for each batch. The packaging equipment is complex. With hundreds of moving parts, many dependent on precise amounts of air pressure, the equipment is vulnerable to malfunctions. A problem here could stop processing. The processing day has taken a turn. Mixing has begun. Steven is making chocolate milk. He pours solid ingredients into a powder induction system that feeds into a tank of low-fat milk. As milk processing winds down, the team turns to cleaning. The task is enormous. Every surface, inside and out, must be washed and sanitized. A pinhole has developed in one of the tubes. The leaking tube will be removed and sent off for repair. A temporary tube is quickly found and installed. Processing is over, but the job is only half complete. The team will spend the rest of the day cleaning, repairing, and performing maintenance on the equipment. The plant will need to be ready early the next day for ice cream production. They call it freezing ice cream. The ice cream mix, made the day before, is pumped to a tank where flavors are added. Campfire Delight is the first ice cream to be made. A graham cracker base flavor with marshmallow swirl and chocolate chunks. The Campfire Delight is pumped into 3-gallon containers and placed in a walk-in freezer. Like on milk processing day, the team will spend the remainder of this day cleaning, sanitizing, and performing maintenance and repairs. Everyone is now focused on preparing the plant for the next production day. Early the next morning, the raw milk delivery truck works its way down a winding, muddy farm road. It's time, once again, to start making ice cream.